Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about scopes, and I know what you think. It's kind of a mess here at the moment, but I just installed a clock, a clock, and it's actually called Short Life. It takes three things into account: your date of birth, your gender, and your location where you were born. And it combines those three with the data of the WHO, so the World Health Organization, and it actually tells you how much percentage you have completed of your life expectancy. So I have now completed, I don't know if you can see this actually, I have now completed 41.3% of my life. So yeah, it's a cool thing. And it's built by Dries de Poortre. Whoops. And he's a cool guy. I will set some links in the description down below. But without further ado, let's dive into scopes. Here we go. Alright, so we're using the same application as before, with the books and the ISBN numbers, and I've added something called statuses in here. And actually I want to filter out all the books that have the published state. So in the database, I'm just going to quickly grab the migration file. Which one is it? This one. I have added this, and I've also added the seeder to update all these statuses. So in the index, we just have at the moment book with count paginate. I'll just change this to, let's say, 20. But if we only want to have the published ones, we can actually do this by using where, the where clause here, just like this. Status is published. Whoops. Published. And if I save that and I refresh, I only have published ones and I can paginate, and I have 21 of them in total. But we can do this shorter, right? If we're going to use a scope for this. So in the book model, we're just going to add a public function, and we're going to call it scope published. And we're actually going to pass on the query. There we go. And in here, we can just add to the query the where statement that we did before. So where status is published. Published. There we go. And close that one. Save that. And if we now say I want only the published ones, like this, we refresh here, and we have exactly the same result. We can actually do the same thing if we want to have a status scope in review, for example, because that is let's just take out the seeder, the factory for this. I have let it take a random element of in review or published. So in review is the other one. There we go. And if I just say I want all those that are in review, like so, then I get all the ones that are in review. Alright, so that's it. You can also use an array in the scope if you want to say I want all the orders that are processed and shipped. You can just put an array in there and it will work as well. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I will see you in one of the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.